Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a highly anticipated review of the highly pigmented eye makeup palette. This palette promises an array of features that makeup lovers will appreciate, so let's explore its standout characteristics. This eye makeup palette boasts highly pigmented, blendable, and long-lasting eyeshadows in an assortment of natural colors. It features both matte and metallic finishes, allowing for versatile looks, whether you're aiming for a soft daytime vibe or a bold evening glamour. The lightweight and smooth texture of the eyeshadows makes for an effortless application, whether you prefer using a brush or your fingers. In my experience with this palette, I found it incredibly easy to set up and use right out of the box. The colors applied smoothly, blending seamlessly into the skin without any patchiness. When testing the performance, I wore a combination of the shades throughout a full day, and I was pleased to see minimal fading, even during warm weather. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons. On the positive side, the variety of shades is impressive, offering a well-balanced mix that caters to various skin tones. The blendability is another strong point. The colors work harmoniously together to create stunning gradients. However, a minor downside is that the palette could benefit from a mirror for on-the-go application. Comparatively, when stacked against similar products on the market, this palette offers great value without compromising quality. While there are luxury options like the Huda Beauty palettes, which can retail for upwards of $65, this one delivers impressive performance at a more accessible price point. As for value for money, I believe this palette hits the mark. The quality of the eyeshadows, combined with their performance and longevity, makes it a worthy investment for both beginners and seasoned makeup enthusiasts. The materials used feel premium, and the overall construction is solid, indicating a commitment to durability. User-friendliness is a significant advantage here. Even those new to makeup will find the palette easy to navigate thanks to its intuitive design. Customer support has been reported as responsive, which is always reassuring when investing in beauty products. In real-world testing, I utilized this palette for various occasions, from casual outings to a night out. The results were consistently flattering, with the eyeshadows holding up well under different conditions, including humidity. If you're enjoying this review, remember to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to support our channel and help others discover this content. As we wrap up, my final verdict is clear. I highly recommend the highly pigmented eye makeup palette. It's particularly suited for anyone looking to enhance their makeup collection without breaking the bank. This palette is perfect for both beginners who are just starting their makeup journey and professionals who need reliable options for their kits. Longevity-wise, the eyeshadows have proven to be durable, maintaining their quality through multiple uses. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, brands like ColourPop or e.l.f. offer quality options that are budget-friendly. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to get the product in the description box below. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences with this palette in the comments. What do you think? Let's discuss.